Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Slack to notify teams about Jira updates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your Slack workspace on your desktop or navigate to the Slack app on your device. Next, go to the Jira Cloud application page. Click on the Get It Now button to install the Jira app for Slack. Once installed, open Slack and locate the Apps section in the left sidebar. Search for and select the Jira app from the apps list. Click the Connect to Jira option that appears in your Slack channel. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter your Jira credentials. Log into your Jira account using your email and password. After logging in, grant the necessary permissions for Slack to access your Jira data. Select the projects you want to connect with Slack for notifications. Once you've chosen the projects, customize which types of updates you want to receive notifications for, like issue creation, updates, or comments. Confirm your configuration by clicking the Save Settings button. Go back to your Slack channel and type the command/Jira link followed by the project key to link a specific Jira project to your channel. You will receive a confirmation message in Slack, indicating the project is successfully linked. To test your setup, create a sample issue or comment in the linked Jira project. Check your Slack channel to ensure that the notification appears as expected. If everything is set up correctly, your team should now receive relevant Jira updates directly in Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.